Hello students, now we'll be looking about the case 3. Okay, before moving towards the case 3, we shall revise the case 1 and case 2. What was case 1? Before moving to case 1, we'll revise the formula for magnetic force due to magnetic field, that is equals to Q into V cross B. Okay, Q into V cross B. So if I write it in scalar form, it will be Q VB sine theta. Okay, we have already seen that if the value of theta is 0 or 180, which means that velocity and magnetic field are either parallel or anti-parallel. Okay, then the value of magnetic force will be equal to 0, which means there will be no deflection and the velocity or the charge will move in the straight line. It will move in the straight line motion. Okay, it will move in straight path. अगर कोई deflection नहीं है, if a object is entering in this from this side, it will keep on moving in the same path. Okay, there will be no distraction. Okay, so it will keep on moving in the same path for case 1, that is when the angle is 0 or angle is 180, because when you put the value of theta in sine 0 is 0 and sine 180 is also 0, so force is equal to 0, which means no deflection. Okay, now when moving towards case 2, when value of theta is 90, that is magnetic field and velocity are perpendicular. At that time what happens? The force keeps on tries to force the or deflect the charge particle so that the motion becomes circular. Okay, how we had studied? We had used the right hand palm rule. What happens? This is the direction there of magnetic field that is going inside the plane. Okay, this is the direction of magnetic field and this is the direction of velocity or current. I will show in this way. Then the force will be in upward direction. So here force is in upward direction. So instead of going on this straight path, it gets deflected. Okay, at second point what we did, the direction of magnetic field is same, the direction of current is upward. Okay, so what will happen? The force will be in the direction of palm, that is in this direction, which means that it will try to come inside. In the same way it will follow the whole circle. And what is the force? This is magnetic force, which acts as a centripetal force also. Okay, so when we are putting the value of theta equals to 90 in this equation, what we get? Force equals to QVB, because sine 90 is 1. Okay, from that we had also derived the equation for r, that is radius of this circle in the previous lecture only, that is mv upon qb. Okay, here can I say one thing? Can I write v perpendicular? Why? Because it is perpendicular to the magnetic field itself. Okay, so if I write mv or if I write mv perpendicular, both are same. Okay, we also derived the equation for time period. Okay, time period for this one circulation, that was equals to 2 pi m upon qb. Okay, an important derivation was it does not depend on velocity, it is independent of velocity. Okay, we shall require all this thing for our next case, that is when theta has any value, the angle between b and v is inclined at theta. Okay, suppose I take the magnetic field is in this direction. Okay, this is the direction of magnetic field. Suppose this is the velocity, the angle between them is theta. Okay, so how? Now what will we do? Can we divide this v velocity in two vectors? Okay, one can be in this direction, one can be in this direction. Okay, so what happens? We have divided in parallel and perpendicular conditions. So what will be the value of this component? It will be v cos theta, or you can say v parallel. Okay, v parallel. Why? Because direction of b is parallel to direction of v. Okay, and this will be the opposite side, so it will be v sine theta. Okay, you can also say it as v perpendicular. Okay, for this component it is perpendicular to b. Okay, so what is happening over here? The component is getting the straight motion also due to this component, and component is getting the circular motion also, that is due to the perpendicular component. So actually में हो क्या रहा है? Due to perpendicular component it is getting circular motion this way. Okay, due to v parallel it is getting straight line motion. Okay, that is this. So what is happening in actual? It is combination of both these things. क्या हो रहा है, एक सर्कल बना रहा है, एक आगे खींच रहा है. One is making circle, one is pushing it outwards. Okay, so ultimately what we are getting is a spiral. क्या हो रहा है, यहां से सर्कल बनाने की ट्राई कर रही है. ओके, बट क्या हो रहा है, सर्कल इट शुड बी एट द सेम पोजिशन, बट ड्यू टू अदर कंपोनेंट इट इज ट्राइंग टू गो फॉरवर्ड. ओके, सर्कल बनाया लेकिन आगे चला गया, सर्कल बनाया लेकिन आगे चला गया. तो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, सर्कल बनाया, थोड़ा आगे गया, फिर आगे गया, फिर आगे गया. ओके, इट इज मेकिंग द सर्कल ऑल्सो एंड इट इज मूविंग फॉरवर्ड ऑल्सो, विच मीन्स अल्टीमेटली इट इज making this shape which is helical shape.